think he revealed himself to me.
Who?
God.
From creation to struggle to redemption. Life, no matter what, is being pulled towards a brighter future. Right now is a blessing.
They go to Mexico, I go back to Lori's, I pretend to get Alamo's shit, and in the morning they're in handcuffs. It's it.
What happened to you?
I think I don't want to remember this moment.
It's like you've all lost your fucking minds.
Buddy, I'm in a little bit of trouble. I feel like you're gonna hit me.
I fucking want to. I'm telling you, this is the last run.